Guys, welcome back to my channel. Kamusta kayong lahat? Sana ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan habang napapanood nyo ang video ito. So for today's video ay may latest update tayo guys. So isi-share ko sa inyo yung latest update about sa ating kabayan na kumakailan lang nag-viral. Ang kaso ni kabayan dito sa Kuwait, naggimbal. Naggimbal sa Kuwait at sa buong Middle East, sa ating mga OFW sa halin ng mga OFW. Ang kaso ni kabayan na allegedly nagpaslang sa kanyang alaga by placing him inside the washing machine. So kahapon, January 29, Wednesday, ay nagpalabas ang korte ng Kuwait sa kaso ni kabayan na si kabayan ay isa-ilalim sa isang psychiatric evaluation. So, yun. Isa-ilalim muna sa medical or psychiatric evaluation itong ating kabayan ga. So, meanwhile, yung prosecution panel guys, yung abogado, syempre abogado ng mga biktima, ito si attorney, si Dr. Walid Al-Azmi from the Public Prosecutor's Technical Office and Taiba Al-Ansari, Deputy Prosecutor of the Capital Anti-Human Trafficking and Migrant Smuggling, ay nag-push sa korte na dapat ang ipataw ang maximum penalty dito sa kaso ni kabayan. Maximum penalty. So alam nyo na kung ano ang maximum penalty. Syempre death penalty guys. So yun ang gina-push gina-suggest or inimungkahi, yun ang proper term dyan, no? Push na dapat ang magiging hatol sa kay kabayan ay ang maximum penalty sa ganitong kaso dahil according sa kanila, according sa prosecution, the act was horrifying. So that's the term that they say on that report. So para legit itong ating balita, ay basahin natin ito ang report sa Kuwait page at sa kay Ayman Mat. So huwag tayong maging sa mga fake news or sa mga ganito ganyan kasi hindi pa nangyayari ang hatol. Ang prosecution pa lang, ang prosecution ng sa side ng mga biktima ay yon ang ginapush nila na maximum penalty ang ipataw sa kaso ni kabayan. And then upon hearing sa kaso kahapon, ang korte, ang criminal court ng Kuwait ay nag-decide na ilagay muna si kabayan sa psychiatric evaluation. So basahin natin ito ang iyasang Kuwait page, okay? So Kuwait court orders mental evaluation for Filipino domestic worker. The criminal court has decided to refer the Filipino domestic worker who allegedly killed an infant in a washing machine for a psychiatric evaluation. So earlier, the accused had denied the charges, stating that the child was found drowned in a bucket of water. The public prosecution in its pleadings called for the issuance of a death sentence against the accused for her actions. The forensic report confirmed that there were no fractures on the infant's body. According to the investigative report, the operations room of the Ministry of Interior had received a report that a 1.5-year-old infant was referred to the hospital in an unconscious state. After conducting initial tests on the child, it was found that he was in a coma. Efforts were made to revive him, but he sadly passed away. Upon investigating with the family, they stated that they heard the child screaming and rushed to see that their domestic worker had placed the child inside the washing machine. The public prosecution, represented by Dr. Walid Al-Azmi from the Public Prosecutor's Technical Office, and Taiba Al-Ansari, Deputy Prosecutor of the Capital Anti-Human Trafficking and Migrant Smuggling, presented before the criminal court the case of the infant's murder by the domestic worker in Sabah Al-Salem suburb. In its plea, the public prosecution called for the execution of the accused as punishment for the heinous crime she committed. It stressed that there would be no leniency in applying the law and that the case is being followed with great interest and keenness to achieve justice, protect rights, and enhance security in society. So, yun ang ating maisi-share sa inyo, guys. Yun ang lumabas kahapon, ang latest update sa kaso ni Kabayan na yun, nag-order ang Criminal Court ng Kuwait na isa-ilalim muna si Kabayan sa psychiatric examination or evaluation. So, let's hope na kung ano man gid, no? Kung whatever the result of the investigation or the case, so be it. So, yun ang may share ko sa inyo, guys. Salamat sa panunood and see you again on my next vlog. Ingat tayong lahat and God bless us all.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then let me so